Hi, I'm Megan with the Early Learning Coalition of the Big Bend region. It's summertime, and that means there's so many fun things to do outside. You can take a walk in a state park, visit your local playground, go to a nearby beach, or even visit the Indian mounds. The ELC has a fun activity for you to celebrate being outdoors with your friends and family. So let's get started.
Here are the supplies you'll need for our craft. You can find many of these supplies already in your home. We found our roll of clear contact paper at our local Dollar Tree. First, carefully cut the inside of your paper plate. Then cut the contact paper into a circle, just big enough to cover the back of the plate. Now it's time to head outside. Take a nature walk with your family or friends at your local park or walking trail. As you walk slowly, look on the ground for different colors and textures to create your sun catcher. These friends were able to find brightly colored leaves, flowers, twigs, and even feathers. Can you find things that represent every color of the rainbow on your walk? Once you've collected your items, peel off the backing of the contact paper and place it sticky side up to the back of your plate. Now you're ready to arrange all of your fun findings. There are many ways to design your sun catcher. It's up to you. You can use your flowers and leaves to create different shapes or patterns. You can move things around until you feel happy with your artwork. Once you're done, use a second piece of paper and place it over your unique creation, pressing down to securely seal the design. This will help keep everything in place. By using a hole punch and some string, you're now ready to display your work of art and watch as the sun shines through your beautiful sun catcher. This fun activity creates an interest in nature, art, crafting, and design. Allowing the child to place the items wherever they determine sets up children with a sense of artfulness that is their own unique creation.